Isiqhema samagqwetha eParliament sithi uDyantyi ujamele umyalo wekomidi kanti amalungu afana noMihlem ajamele inkhuluphelo zezinye inhlangano.
This is not Mr. Dyantyi's committee. It is not a one-man show where ultimately you as chair will make a recommendation to the assembly on whether the PP has misconducted herself or is incompetent as alleged. Your role is simply to preside over the committee, but not to make decisions for the committee. Similarly, Mr. Milam is just one member of a group of members who will ultimately collectively make the recommendation to the assembly, and he has no more power than any other member on the committee.
uIbrahim uveze nokuthi akunamthetho ovumela ukususa kukasihlalo.
I'm of the view that you must personally consider the application as it's brought against you and inform this committee whether on the basis of the grounds raised in the recusal application, you're of the view that you should recuse yourself or not. Similarly, Mr. Milam must do the same.
Amalungu wekomidi bekahlukene ekutheni isibawo sokubana uDyantyi azirhoqise kufanele senziwe njani. iUDM, ATM kunye neGood Party bezifuna ukutshejwa indluleko zomthetho zangeqadi.
I think the legal advice as suggested by our legal advisor is a sound route and decision.
I would like to support the general when he speaks about let us agree on the process to deal with such. Unfortunately, there is no standard procedure that deals with such matters.
I assume that external legal advice is on the second part of her two-part decision-making process where yourself and Honourable Milam need to decide whether you need to recuse yourselves.
Chair, you do not lose anything if you recuse yourself. If anything, you will demonstrate to all of us, including the public, that the mandate of the committee is more important, regardless of who the chairperson is.
Ezinye inhlangano ezifana ne-ANC, DA, ACDP kunye ne-Aljama zifuna siphawe isibawezi.
So, Honourable Chairperson, I support the fact that we dismiss this application.
We have been very impressed on how you've handled the proceedings so far, and we don't agree with anything that the public sector has said in order to have you to be recused.
I find that the application is without merit, and I do not support the application for the recusal of the chairperson.
Usihlalo uzokhipha isiqundu esikhathini esingaba ziimveke ezimbili.
I will table the response to the application for recusal by the public protector team, because there are two things here that must not be conflated. There's a need to respond to each of the 12 grounds in detail, paragraph by paragraph, in a very thorough way. And if one has to respond to even to the commas and full stops that are there, that's exactly what we're going to have to do.
uDyantyi ungezelele ngelithi ikomiti le izokusebenzisa umthetho weParliament wamandla amalungelo kunye nokuzivikela ukuphenya isenzo sokuthuselwa nguMpofu iveke epheleleko.